Good morning and welcome to another video. It's early, it's a Sunday, there's no one around, and we're on the North Coast of Cornwall. Let's get on. So as I said before, we're on the North Coast of Cornwall today. I don't have anything in particular in mind today. I'm just going to have a nice walk and see what pops up. Alright, let's have a look, see what's about. Well, I've not been long already and I've got 4 seals out in front of me and a small group of fulmars flying around me as well. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to sit here, try and get some footage, see if I can get some nice bird in flight photos of the fulmars, and yeah, then we can move on and see what else we can find. But what a cracking start. Well, that sun's crested the hill now and it's absolutely glorious. I've just spent a little bit of time with the fulmars here and yeah, got some nice bird in flight shots. There are lots of seals bobbing about out there and I can see a lot of gannets off the island diving as well. So I'm going to head that way and hopefully there'll still be some action by the time we get there. So that light has got quite harsh quite quickly, but it's not so bad that we can't work with it. You just have to put a little bit more thought into your pictures and you know, make sure you're keeping that exposure down slightly so you don't blow out your highlights. But I'm not complaining, it is absolutely glorious. Whew. What a morning. Well, quite excitedly I've just spotted 2 Cornish Choughs. Probably my most favourite bird to sit and watch. I love their behaviour, I love the way they call, that kia, kia. And then just watching them pick out the grubs and work along the cliff in groups like they do. They're just fantastic. Striking plumage, striking legs and beak. I really hope we can get close to some today. They're a long way off at the moment, but they are in the direction I'm heading. So let's see if we can catch up with them. I knew this area was good for seals, but I wasn't expecting to see quite so many today. There's 3 just along the coastal edge here that seem to be just watching me and following me along as if I'm about to feed them. But just in the cove behind me there's, I haven't counted, dozens. All different colours, just amazing to see. Definitely the most amount of seals I've ever seen in one location. The absolute sheer number of gannets behind me. I've just been watching them dive. I don't know if you can make them out, but all these white dots on the sea here are all gannets. Hundreds of them. Amazing. Another seal down here. Whew. Yeah, make my day if we can catch up with those choughs, but if not, who cares? It's been absolutely terrific. What a morning. I've just taken the opportunity to sit on this bench so I can admire the view, have some water and just see what I can see on the horizon. Unfortunately I haven't caught up with the choughs yet, but there's still time. I've got a couple of hours left yet before I've got to head home. And I have seen them twice now, so it's really reassuring. I've never actually seen them here before, so to actually see them today is just good enough for me. Yeah, check out this view. Oh, amazing. I've just been sat here watching the gannets, trying to get some photos of them diving. It's not easy, but maybe got a couple. So I'm back in the spot where I started. Just taking the last few pictures of the Fulmars before I got to go home. Some stock doves. Now unfortunately I didn't manage to catch up with the choughs today, but it's a really encouraging sign seeing them here. I've just done a piece of camera saying that I didn't manage to catch up with the choughs. A rock pipit was on the path in front of me, and I was just bent down taking some photos, and I just heard the call of the choughs behind me, and I've just spent the last 20 minutes sat watching, filming, taking some photos. Oh, this day couldn't get any better. I am over the moon. Whew. I will certainly pop up plenty of footage and the images. What a morning! Oh my god, what a morning! I have had such a great time. First off, watching those Fulmars soar right in front of me, getting some nice photos there, and then the sun just peeking over the hill and just catching them. Oh, it was stunning. And then later on I was watching the gannets dive, just, you know, a few hundred yards offshore. Absolutely incredible, the speeds they must reach. Jeez. And then just as I'd given up hope on choughs, I had that beautiful, beautiful pair of choughs right at the very end. I spent a good 20 minutes with those before a dog scared them off, but oh, lovely to see. They were preening each other, and then they were on the rock face, sort of practically hanging upside down, digging about for grubs. I absolutely love watching them. I love their behaviour and I love their call. It's just, that has really made my weekend. Absolutely made my weekend. So if you've made it this far into the video, once again a massive thank you. I really do appreciate you watching. If you've liked it, please do hit that thumbs up button, and I'd love it if you'd leave a comment below. If you want to see future content, please subscribe, and yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Take care.